This looks cheap as. Shotton lifts. Oh, as I call them, Shotton lifts because I want to, if people shat on them. Because they're that bad.
Doors closing.
Has that voice? That's a weird voice for this lift. Hydro, of course. What the? There's a bundle of riffles. Step Shanghai.
Level 1. Doors opening.
Huh.
Doors closing.
That is very... It's called the Melba 12. There's a duo stop button, but... The rest is... Crap. Is that duo stop button? Similar at least. This is very small. Very small. That's the same spikes Queensland elevators use.
Going up. Doors opening.
Doors opening. Let's listen to some motor.
Doors closing.
Doors closing. No, going upwards. 37 Oxford Street. This is very bubbly. I want to get stuck in this.
Level 1. Doors opening.
Very cheap and crap.
Doors closing.
Stop cancels the call. Stop cancels the call for some reason. Very strange.
The ground floor. Going up. Doors opening.
That looks like Fermata doors again. Lift services. I see a hydraulic motor in there.
Closing.
There you go.